Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will take you to witness our U.A.E. customer visiting the factory in person to experience and inspect the entire process of automatic wire setting process. According to the customer's cutting needs, we enter the cutting thickness data on the touchscreen and start the automatic wire setting. The entire process of automatic wire setting took about 78 seconds this time for 43 cutting wires. This demonstrates the high efficiency of the EPS cutting line in terms of wire setting efficiency. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.